Make acne and pimples disappear forever in 14 days. Acne and pimples in your face decrease your self-esteem? Take it easy, this can be used helpful paste making them disappear once and forever. Generally used in Russian folk medicine, this paste is renowned for its results. So, what's the recipe? Preparation. Take 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon and 3 teaspoons of pure honey. Put 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon inside a jar and pour 3 teaspoons pure honey. Make use of a wooden spoon and stir the mix. Using it. Combine the cinnamon and honey together. Before bedtime put it onto the skin in your face and wash each morning. The outcomes is going to be visible in 2 days.